I'm here with my kitten Yoda. We rescued her from a amusement park a little while ago, and so I thought I'd put her on my video today. Okay, so today I'm going to do my resolutions that I just really want to focus on. So number one is make more friends. I don't have a lot of friends, so I really just want to make some more and get to know some new people and see where it takes me. Number two, give back. I really want to give back to the community, like with the kids that don't have a lot, and where I go to school, I have the food shelter, as which is feed my starving children and stuff like that. So I really want to help with that and help others. Number three, take more pictures, because you always have those photo moments that you are like, oh my gosh, I really should take this picture, and then you don't. And then a little while later, like, I really took a picture. I really wish I took a picture of that because I don't have that moment anymore. And I've lived my life wishing that I had taken a picture of that exact moment so I remembered what that was like. And my last one, number four, is let my family know that I love them and that I care more, because I've been told that I don't tell people I love them enough and I don't show that I care. So I really just want to work on that and try to do better with like showing that I care, because sometimes I hide behind like